Hey gamers and crypto enthusiasts! If you're tired of traditional games where you grind for hours but don't truly own anything, Web3 gaming is here to change the game, literally. Imagine playing, earning real money, and even having a say in how the platform evolves. Sounds unreal? Well, in 2025, it's not just possible, it's thriving. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 Web3 gaming platforms you need to check out. Buckle up, because this is a deep dive into the future of gaming. First up, TikTrix. Think TikTok meets blockchain gaming. This platform is built on Chain, a superfast layer 3 blockchain that keeps fees low and speeds high. What makes TikTrix unique? It's all about short-form, swipeable gaming with a dual-token economy. Tricks for governance and Worm for in-game rewards. Key features: swipe-based casual games, perfect for mobile gamers. Mere nodes earn rewards by staking and supporting the network. AI-driven personalization, your gaming experience adapts to you. Upcoming 2025 plans, AI tournaments, a token marketplace, and more. But be warned, some features, like node operations, can get technical. Still, if you love bite-sized fun with crypto rewards, TikTrix is a must-try. Next, we have Gala Games, one of the OG Web3 gaming platforms, founded by a Zynga co-creator. This isn't just one game, it's a whole ecosystem where players own everything from land in Mirandas to tanks and spider tanks as NFTs. Why Gala stands out? Diverse game library, RPGs, strategy, PvP, you name it. $Gala token fuels the economy, earn it by playing or running nodes. Community-driven governance, players vote on big decisions. High-quality titles like The Walking Dead, Empire's coming soon. Downside? Some NFTs can be pricey for beginners. But if you're serious about Web3 gaming, Gala is a powerhouse. Ever been frustrated by Ethereum's gas fees? Immutable X fixes that with zero-gas NFT trading using ZK rollups. This is the go-to platform for AAA quality Web3 games like Gods Unchained, a Hearthstone-style card game, and Illuvium, an open-world RPG. Perks of Immutable X: no gas fees, mint and trade NFTs for free. Instant transactions, thanks to ZK rollups. For M+ users on Immutable Passport, easy logins for beginners. The catch? Fewer games than Steam, but the ones here are top tier. No Web3 gaming list is complete without Axie Infinity, the game that started the P2E revolution. Collect, breed, and battle cute Axies, NFT creatures, to earn SLP and AXS tokens. The Ronin sidechain keeps transactions cheap and fast. 2025 upgrades: Gauntlet mode, new competitive battles. Bounty boards, daily rewards with a 26,500 AXS prize pool. Revamped app, easier for new players. 1. Warning: Axies can be expensive upfront, but scholarships let you rent teams. Want console quality graphics in Web3? Meet QORPO, home to Citizen Conflict, a cyberpunk hero shooter, and Animate, a fantasy NFT RPG. Built on Unreal Engine 5, this is Web3 gaming at its prettiest. Why QORPO rocks? All-in-one hub, wallet, NFT marketplace, DAO governance. Multi-chain support, Ethereum, BNB chain, Immutable X. Esports ready, competitive tournaments with big prizes. Newbies might find the onboarding tricky, but hardcore gamers will love it. The Sandbox is like Minecraft meets Web3 by land, create games, and monetize your creations. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg and brands like Binance own virtual estates here. The $SAND token powers everything. 2025 highlights: multiplayer rules system, more social gameplay. Mobile Metaverse expansion, play on the go. $20 million funding boost, more tools for creators. Not the deepest gameplay yet, but the creative potential is insane. Last but not least, Funtico. This sleeper hit combines Telegram minigames, like Lucky Funatic, with high-stakes tournaments. Race carts in Formula Funtico for 100,000 USDT prize pools or tap to earn with their new $TICO token. Why it's unique? Chain agnostic, works across blockchains. Easy onboarding, play right in Telegram. Massive rewards, perfect for casual earners. If you want fun plus profits with zero hassle, Funtico is a hidden gem. And there you have it, the 7 best Web3 gaming platforms in 2025. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. See you in the metaverse.